Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Loom on your computer. Now, here are the steps to download and install Loom on your computer. The first thing to do is to open the web browser on your computer. You can use any browser of your choice and navigate to the Loom official website by entering this URL: https://www.loom.com. But I'm just going to type in Loom and that gives me Loom. So Loom and space just Loom, and this is pretty much the URL. Now click on the first thing you see, and that is going to walk you majestically into the Loom's homepage or the Loom's website. All right, so I have already created an account on Loom, so we're just going to go through the process again using another account so it can just be afresh. So let's try another account shortly. So we're going to click now on Loom. So this is exactly what you see when you are new to Loom. Okay, so once on the Loom homepage, locate Get Loom for Free button, which is just right here at the top right corner, and click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the next page, which is going to literally allow you to download Loom. So first things first is to sign up with Loom. So let's say I'm just going to sign up with Google so a new account can be created for me. So just follow up with these steps. So I'm going to choose this account, which is pretty much another account, and it's going to take me over to the next step, which is pretty much what we are waiting for. So just go ahead and click on continue. And you have this, you have to read the terms and conditions and go ahead and click on I agree. And just hold on for the next process. So start Loom onboarding, la 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 la. Right here. So how are you planning to use Loom? So you can choose any of those options, either for work, for education, or for personal projects. So let's say for personal projects, and I'm just going to click on the continue button, and it takes me to the next, which is workspace name. So let's say this is going to be my workspace name, and I'm just going to click on the continue button. And it should take me to the last step, which is to invite my teammates. But I do not want to invite my teammates now. If you want to just go ahead and click on invite and continue. But if you do not want to, just go ahead and click on not now. Now it takes you to this window where you can choose. So you can either choose Loom for desktop, as a desktop app, or you can choose Loom Chrome extension. So any of these processes. So let's say if you want the Chrome extension, you can just go ahead and install, and Loom is just going to be somewhere attached to your Chrome extension. But if you want a desktop app, then you're just going to have to click on this download button. Now, once you click on the download button, that's going to be it. So watch your downloader somewhere here that's just going to let you or give you a sign that it is downloading. Now for Windows, right, after the download is complete, just open the exe file from your browser's download section or from your downloads folder. Then a prompt to appear asking if you want to allow Loom to make changes to your device. Go ahead and click yes to proceed. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Now, when Loom is installed and launched, you will be prompted to either sign in or you can create a new account. But since you've already created your account, just go ahead and launch your Loom account from there. So you may not be prompted to do that since your account has already been created. Now, after signing in, Loom may ask for permissions. That's once it has been downloaded successfully and you launch the Loom app, which pretty much looks like this. You may be asked for permissions like camera, microphone, and screen recording. So go ahead and grant these permissions to ensure smooth functionality. Then follow any additional step or instructions based on your preference. Now, once the steps are complete, Loom will be ready to use on your desktop for recording videos, screen shares, and a lot more. So that's pretty much it. This is my Loom, and this is what it looks like. I can just go ahead and click on full screen to see. Okay. So let's just do home and allow it to spread and enlarge. So I'm just going to show you how the user interface looks like on Loom. This is just pretty much Loom, and this is how. So once it has been downloaded successfully, this is how your Loom will definitely appear. So just go ahead and have fun and have a great time using Loom. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.